Maria Paliada Vergara.
In the quiet of the night, I hear your name. Echoes in the dark like a haunting flame. Memories of laughter, memories of pain. In my heart, your voice will always remain. Dusty photos, colors start to fade. Time moves on, but the love we made. Frozen moments in a tired old frame. You're a shadow that I can't replace. Every star in the sky whispers your song. Even though you're gone, it's here you belong. In the melody of tears we both sung alone. In my dreams and thoughts you are never wrong. Empty rooms where your laughter used to ring. Silent echoes of the songs we'd sing. Every corner's filled with your gentle sigh. In every breath I take, you still reside. Every star in the sky whispers your song. Even though you're gone, it's here you belong. In the melody of tears we both sung alone. In my dreams and thoughts you are never wrong. Life goes on, but your love does not fade. You're the whisper in the winds of yesterday, holding on to fragments that won't decay. In my heart you found a place to stay. Sa dilim ng gabi, ikaw ang nagniningning. Hinahanap-hanap ang iyong yakap na kay lambing. Bawat alaala'y tila muling bumabalik. Sa puso't isipan, nandyan ka pa rin. Ang iyong ngiti para bang araw sa tag-ulan, nagpapaalala ng saya at kalungkutan. Sa bawat pag-ihip ng malamig na hangin, parang naririnig ko ang iyong tawagin. Hanggang sa dulo ng aking paghinga, alaala mo'y mananatili sa gunita. Sa bawat tibok ng aking puso, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang naririto. Bawat patak ng ulan, tila luha ko'y bumabalik. 这不